Welcome to the language lesson of the day, grade 2. We're back to remote learning and we're going to make the best of it. This is not my favorite thing, but we need to do what is best. This week we'll be working with the week 12 words. And as you have seen, week 12 includes some words that have an apostrophe in them. Those are called contraction words. And our phonics activity today, page 146, I know we skipped ahead, is to focus on that lesson, that skill of combining two words into one, throwing out of the school some letters and replacing them with an apostrophe. On page 146 of your phonics book, which you have at home, you will see a word bank at the top, some two words that are separate, and you're going to find the matching contraction word for those two words and print it on the line. For example, here's the words beside number 1 are not. You need to find a contraction in the word bank that is the same meaning and can be used in the same way as those two words are not. Well, there it is, aren't. We are not at school. We aren't at school. So you would print the word aren't on this blank beside the word are not. Then when you get to the bottom of the page, it says print two words that mean the same as each underlined word. That's when you change it the other way. You're starting with a contraction and you're separating them into their first two base words. You will find a lot of them up at the top activity. And that's your phonics page for today. The other part of our language for today is an introduction to poetry. Most of you have handed in your choice for your poetry, for our poetry assignment. You'll be working with the same poem and memorizing it over the next number of weeks, following the schedule that was outlined for you in an email that was sent home over Christmas break. Poetry is a way of writing, just like there is a way of writing for stories or lists or reports or even letters. Poetry is a form or a type of writing. Poetry is a way of expressing emotion and creativity. And we'll be learning some of the features, the characteristics of poetry for the next little while, for the next number of weeks as well. The Bible, and that's why I brought the Bible out, the Bible includes so much poetry, so many of its books, Song of Songs, Proverbs, Psalms, and other books of the Bible include many poems. Poems can be put to song, or they can just be spoken. Poems use careful words to express beautiful things. Poems also include regular words to express some amazing ideas. David wrote many of the Psalms, and Psalm 23 is an example of using regular words to tell about amazing things. Psalm 23 is a psalm that says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for his name's sake." And it goes on to express a beautiful walk with the Lord. David was a shepherd, and he uses language that he knows well. So make sense of this amazing relationship that he has with the Lord. As you work with your poems, look for regular words that have deep meaning to them, that are able to tell about amazing things. I hope you are enjoying reading your poems and memorizing them bit by bit. Practice your poem today and also practice your words using the activities from the 4x3 grid. Have a great day.